Okay, I would like to show you how to use Join Me. So first you need to go to joinme.com. And here is my account. When you go there for the first time, you need to sign up with your basic information, your name, surname, where you work, and address and mail details. Classic. Here is the first page, which gives us the option to start a meeting, and then click button. If there is a meeting and you want to join, then you need to put the meeting code and then click join. You can make a schedule for your meetings, and this is the 10 days 10 more days of Pro. This is on them. It's free, and after 10 days the trial is going to end, and they'll ask you to buy Pro or stay with the basic plan. Now I'm going to click start to show you a meeting. Opens another page. Alright, shows my profile here. Here it's muted right now. If I click,
the conference will begin when the next party joins.
It's gonna turn it on, and then if I click here, it's gonna turn the webcam. Let's see if the internet speed is good enough. Yes, it's me at the moment, and if you like it, you can turn on the webcam. Here, I turn it off, and with this button, we can share screen. And shows the number of participants. It's on me at the moment. If I want to invite people, I can click here. I can copy the link, or I can send email. So this is how I invite people. And also here we have some more settings. If I click here, then it's gonna start recording this meeting. And then here, this button is nice. If you click this, others can join without asking, so it opens to other people. And here I'm gonna look it again, and here's a nice button to mute everyone else. If you click this, everyone else will be muted. And some more settings here, and this is a button for exit. So basically, when you start using this, you will get used to you will get familiar as you use these features. It's very good for webinars, seminars, and meetings, online meetings. It's highly useful as a program. Thank you.
Yes.